How to add sticky ads in WordPress website. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add sticky ads in your WordPress website. For this, first of all, you need to open your Google AdSense account. Then you need to click on ads, then click on buy ad unit, and then you need to click on display ads. Here you need to type a name for your ad unit. Let's type footer ad unit. Then click on create. As you can see, it has given us a code which we need to type in WordPress. We need to copy this publisher code and then this ad slot code. Let's go to WordPress, and here you need to click on appearance. Then click on theme file editor. And here in this right sidebar, you need to search for theme footer. Click on it. We need to type the code here. We will go back to Google AdSense, and from here we will copy this publisher code and we will paste this code here in this section. I'll provide you this code where you need to paste your publisher code and ad slot code. You can use it. We'll go back again, and from here we will copy your ad slot code and we will paste it here. Then you need to copy this code, go to WordPress and just paste the code here. Then click on update file. File edited successfully. Now the sticky ad note will be shown to you in the footer when you will open your website, or anyone will open your website. This is how you can add a sticky ad note in your WordPress website. I hope the video helped you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.